Oh, okay.
Just remember to pull your chute again towards it.
Yeah, so I don't break my legs.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna go this building right here.
Moving here.
I hit a tree. That's okay. Cool.
Targets are up. Get to work.
No bots. All right.
Like 50 RPGs here.
Oh, jeez. I thought I saw somebody. It was just birds. Fucking hell.
Wait, here
Just
gunshots.
shooting.
It's probably a train station.
I think it's either train or it's yeah,
It
probably
might be
train.
bone.
I think it's bone.
We're not close to loadout yet.
Nope.
We go to the buy behind and see if there's stuff in there.
I feel like we have this entire area for ourselves.
Does anybody want a rocket launcher?
No.
Okay.
Maybe you saw Raymond.
Yeah, Raymond's like, oh shit, I'll take that.
Got a cluster strike.
Nice.
George, do you have a gun yet?
I have a like a SMG.
Oh, wait.
LMG marked.
There's an LMG here, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Fucking pick it up. I'm gonna go into fire.
Almost
Fucking if I can get over this stupid fence.
almost enough for loadout.
Yep.
We got it if you want to.
Does anybody want like a sniper?
Where's the next place?
Losing ground.
I'll come back to you guys.
Where do you want to buy? You want to buy on me or you want to buy?
Buy on you, yeah. Because I'll go somewhere else, to be honest.
That tag up there. I just tagged him.
No, I'll just come back to you guys.
I'm driving into the corner.
Yeah, Dennis, just look out for
Oh,
boneyard.
Lord.
There's shooting coming from that way as well.
Might take my money. Might take my money.
Oh, shit, hold on. Alright, alright.
There you go. Well, I can.
Get to the safe zone.
Oh, guy right here.
Where?
I killed him.
I see it.
Oh shit.
Come here, bitch.
So pissed. So pissed.
There's the rest of the team though. Oh,
Oh, I see it.
Shit.
tagged him. I tagged him.
Crack.
Lagging.
You dead?
Nice.
Alright, let's buy.
Nice.
I'm gonna get their shit.
Here, money's at the buy already.
Oh no! What the hell did I do? No!
I got you. I got you.
What happened?
Copy cash drop.
These guys are
That's
mad.
stupid.
These guys are mad, dude. They had all this
Like
shit.
a-
And yet.
Do I take the cash? Michael.
Yeah, take that. Buy a loadout.
Oh. Okay.
And then just launch the load. Just put the loadout in there. As long as.
These guys have plates.
Yeah, they
Armor
do.
here.
Just pick
I
it
have
up.
plate box too.
Alright, get it. Throw the loadout in here.
How do I do it?
Just throw it.
Your field upgrade.
Hey,
Oh.
Your bumpers, your bumpers, your bumpers, your bumpers.
Toss it.
Wait.
Train.
Shit.
Yes, good job, good job.
Oh, okay.
I'm watching train. Watch train.
Oh yeah, I'm watching train in case it's on.
Booted, so.
Hey, you wanna take the train? You wanna hop on the train? I'm gonna buy you.
Everyone got loadout? George, do you have
Yeah.
plates on you?
I do.
Plate up because you're down. You got shot.
Alright, let's go.
Oh,
Crouch when you crouch or like lie down when you crouch. You have one, you need one more, George. You're still one short.
where do I get that from?
Oh, plate box.
No, do you have another plate or no?
Right
don't
here,
have
right
that,
here,
but-
right here, this body, right here.
Armor here.
Wait, I'll take that.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Get the plate
We gotta go, we gotta go.
Oh shit.
and call up in here.
Did I get it?
Plate up, plate up, plate up, plate
Yeah.
up, right now, right now. I can't
Okay.
believe I got
Climb in. There we go.
I can't believe I got
Found a vendor. Get you supplies.